We are going to test our app. You can see my website here. You can scroll down, select any button. You can do anything in this website. Welcome all to the new video of Coding Race. In this video we will learn how to add website in your app. So start a new project. I am going to type web app. You can type any project name. Just change it to tablet. You can see this web viewer in user interface. This component will help us to open our website. So just drag and drop it to the screen. Just click on the screen and the title will be my website. Just enter. I have written one mistake, sorry. That's perfect. Website. Just enter. It is renamed. You can see it. Next, just click on this web viewer. Here we want to paste your website link. So this is the Coding Race website. You can see it, and if you click on this, you will redirect to this YouTube video. This is our website. So I am going to copy this website link, and I am going to MIT App Inventor. Just click on this website home URL. Here you want to paste that link and just enter. Go to block section, go to screen 1, drag and drop. When screen 1.initialize, go to this web viewer 1, and you can see this called webviewer.go to home. When the app will open, you can visible this website.